How to fix Wi-Fi denied access. First things first, access your settings, the gear icon, scroll down to Wi-Fi, and then click on additional settings. From here, press manage save networks, and you'll have to delete first on the Wi-Fi that has denied you an access with. And then once it's done, go back to settings, and then scroll down, go to additional settings, scroll down again, press on backup and restore. From here, you'll have to back up your files from mobile device, and then you can also back it up from your computer. Now, once everything is set, go back and then go to factory reset. Now, you'll have to press on erase all data, including all the networks that you were connected with before, so that you will no longer be access denied. So that's how you troubleshoot or to fix Wi-Fi denied access.